सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्. Welcome to class 7 of Learn to Chant Shyamala Dandakam. We shall begin with the Dhyana Shloka. Manikya Veena-mupalayantim Madalasam Manjula Vagvilasam Mahindra Neeladyuti Komalangim Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami चतुर्भुजे चन्द्रकलावतंसे कुचोन्नते कुङ्कुमरागशोणे पुण्ड्रेक्षुपाशाङ्कुश पुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते जगदेकमातः. Today we shall be skipping the revision of Dandakam 1. I shall chant Dandakam 2 and 3. The second Dandakam I shall chant from line 6. I think the first 6 lines we've revised quite a number of times now. So from the 6th line of Dandakam 2 I shall chant, and Dandakam 3. Dandakam 4, as usual, the lines which we learned yesterday, I shall chant and the panelists shall be repeating. So I shall begin revising Dandakam 2, line 6. From the Dandakam 4, the first 14 lines which we learned yesterday, we shall have the panelists repeat after me. दिव्यरत्नोर्मिकादिधितिस्तोम सन्ध्यायमानाङ्गुलि पल्लवोद्यन्नखेन्दुप्रभामण्डले सन्नता खण्डले चित्प्रभा मण्डले प्रोल्लसत्कुण्डले. We shall have the panelists chanting the 6 lines of the Dvitiyam Dandakam and the third Dandakam. Sayankit.
दिव्यरत्नोर्मिकादिधितिस्तोम सन्ध्यायमानाङ्गुली पल्लवोद्यन्नखेन्दुप्रभामण्डले सन्नताखण्डले चित्प्रभामण्डले प्रोल्लसत्कुण्डले तारकाराजिनीकाशहारावलिस्मेरचारुस्तनाभोग भारानमन्मध्यवल्लीवलिच्छेद वीचीसमुल्लाससन्दर्शिताकार सौन्दर्यरत्नाकरे वल्लकीभृत्करे किङ्करश्रीकरे हेमकुम्भोपमोत्तुङ्गवक्षोजभारावनम्रे त्रिलोकावनम्रे लसद्वृत्तगम्भीरनाभीसरस्तीरशैवाल शङ्काकरश्यामरोमावलीभूषणे मञ्जुसम्भाषणे चारुशिञ्जत्कटीसूत्रनिर्भर्त्सितानङ्गलीलाधनुष्यिञ्जिनीडम्बरे दिव्यरत्नाम्बरे पद्मरागोल्लसन्मेखलाभास्वरश्रोणिशोभाजित स्वर्णभूभृत्तले चन्द्रिकाशीतले विकसितनवकिंशुकाताम्रदिव्यांशुकच्छन्न चारूरुशोभापराभूत शोणायमानेन्द्रमातङ्गहस्तार्गले वैभवानर्गले श्यामले
कोमलस्निग्धनीलोत्पलोत्पादितानङ्गतूणीर शङ्काकरोदार जङ्घालते चारुलीलागते नम्रदिक्पालसीमन्तिनी कुन्तलस्निग्धनीलप्रभा पुञ्जसञ्जात दुर्वाङ्कुरा शङ्खसारङ्ग संयोगरिङ्खन्नखेन्दुज्ज्वले प्रोज्ज्वले निर्मले प्रह्वदेवेश लक्ष्मीश भूतेश तोयेष वाणीश कीनाश दैत्येश यक्ष्येष वाय्वग्निकोटिरमाणिक्य सङ्घृष्टबालातपोद्दामलाक्षार सारुण्यतारुण्य लक्ष्मी गृहीताङ्घ्रिपद्मे सुपद्मे उमे सुरुचिरनवरत्नपीठस्थिते सुस्थिते
सुरुचिर नवरत्नपीठस्थिते सुस्थिते
रत्नपद्मासने रत्नसिंहासने शङ्खपद्मद्वयोपाश्रिते
पद्मासने रत्नसिंहासने शङ्खपद्मद्वयोपाश्रिते
तत्र विघ्नेश दुर्गावटुक्षेत्रपालैर्युते
तत्र विघ्नेश दुर्गावटुक्षेत्रपालैर्युते
मत्तमातङ्गकन्यासमूहान्विते
मत्तमातङ्गकन्यासमूहान्विते
मञ्जुलामेनकाद्यङ्गनामानिते
मञ्जुलामेनकाद्यङ्गनामानिते
भैरवैरष्टभिर्वेष्टिते
भैरवैरष्टभिर्वेष्टिते
देवि वामादिभिः शक्तिभिः सेविते
देवि वामादिभिः शक्तिभिः सेविते
धात्री लक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यष्टकैः संयुते
धात्रिलक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यष्टकैः संयुते
संयुते
धात्रिलक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यष्टकैः संयुते
मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते
मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते
यक्षगन्धर्व सिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्चिते
यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्गनामण्डलैरर्चिते
पञ्चबाणात्मिके पञ्चबाणेन रत्या च सम्भाविते
पञ्चबाणात्मिके पञ्चबाणेन रत्या च सम्भाविते
प्रीतिभाजावसन्तेन चानन्दिते
प्रीतिभाजावसन्तेन चानन्दिते
भक्तिभाजां परं श्रेयसे कल्पसे
भक्तिभाजां परं श्रेयसे कल्पसे
योगिनां मानसे द्योतसे
योगिनां मानसे द्योतसे.
So till here we had learned yesterday. We shall continue from the next line in Chaturtham Dandakam now. Chandasa mojasa
छन्दसा मोजसा छन्दसा मोजसा
भ्राजसे
भ्राजसे भ्राजसे
छन्दसा मोजसा भ्राजसे
छन्दसा मोजसा भ्राजसे छन्दसा मोजसा भ्राजसे
गीतविद्या
गीतविद्या गीतविद्या
विनोदातितृष्णेन
विनोदातितृष्णेन विनोदातितृष्णेन
कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन
गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन
कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
Make sure you pronounce the Samyuktakshara with a stress there. Sampujyase, the ich has to be heard.
सम्पूज्यसे सम्पूज्यसे
गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा
भक्तिमच्चेतसा भक्तिमच्चेतसा
वेधसा
वेधसा वेधसा
स्तूयसे
स्तूयसे स्तूयसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा
स्तूयसे
स्तूयसे स्तूयसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे
विश्वहृद्येन
विश्वहृद्येन विश्वहृद्येन
वाद्येन
वाद्येन वाद्येन
विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
विद्याधरैर्गीयसे विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन
विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन
विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
विद्याधरैर्गीयसे विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
Good. So these 4 lines I shall now repeat as 2 lines together. Repeat it, okay? छन्दसामोजसा भ्राजसे गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
छन्दसा मोजसा भ्राजसे गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे छन्दसा मोजसा भ्राजसे गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
श्रवणहरण
श्रवणहरण श्रवणहरण
दक्षिणक्वाणय
दक्षिणक्वाणय दक्षिणक्वाणय
वीणया
वीणया वीणया
किन्नरैर्गीयसे
किन्नरैर्गीयसे किन्नरैर्गीयसे
श्रवणहरण
श्रवणहरण श्रवणहरण
दक्षिणक्वाणय
दक्षिणक्वाणय दक्षिणक्वाणय
वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणय
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणय श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणय
वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणय वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणय वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणय वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
यक्षगन्धर्व
यक्षगन्धर्व यक्षगन्धर्व
सिद्धाङ्गना
सिद्धाङ्गना सिद्धाङ्गना
मण्डलैरर्च्यसे
मण्डलैरर्च्यसे मण्डलैरर्च्यसे
यक्षगन्धर्व सिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे
यक्षगन्धर्व सिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे यक्षगन्धर्व सिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे
सर्वसौभाग्य
सर्वसौभाग्य सर्वसौभाग्य
वाञ्छावतीभिः
वाञ्छावतीभिः वाञ्छावतीभिः
वधूभिः सुराणाम्
वधूभिः सुराणां वधूभिः सुराणां
समाराध्यसे
समाराध्यसे समाराध्यसे
सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिः
सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिः सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिः
वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
Suranam, what are you pronouncing the Dhanaswara as?
वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
Even one down. सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकम्
विशेषात्मकम्
चाटुगाथा
चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणम्
कण्ठमूलोल्लसत्
कण्ठमूलोल्लसत्
वर्णराजित्रयम्
वर्णराजित्रयम्
कोमलश्यामलोदार
कोमलश्यामलोदार
पक्षद्वयम् तुण्डशोभा. Okay, till here we shall learn again. सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकम् चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणम् कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयम् कोमलश्यामलोदार
कोमलश्यामलोदार
पक्षद्वयम्
पक्षद्वयम्
Now, bringing two phrases together. So when we are bringing that, please notice how we are pronouncing the anuswara at each instance here. Sarva vidya visheshatmakam chatugatha samucharanam.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणम्.
Just a second. Anuswara, just now I said visheshatmakam chatu. Okay.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणम्.
It is not im. Mahati, just a second. It is not visheshatmakam. It is visheshatmakam chatu. Concentrate and tell that anuswara.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणम्. सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणम्.
कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदारपक्षद्वयम्.
कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयं राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदारपक्षद्वयम्. कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयं Rajitra Komalashyamalodara Pakshadvayam
Swara. Trayam Komala.
Kanthamulolasadvarna Rajitrayam Komalashyamalodara Pakshadvayam
Okay, now
Kanthamulolasad.
we shall learn the half line. So at each instance, please concentrate on the Anuswara while listening, because at each instance we have a different pronunciation here. So Sarva Vidya Visheshatmakanchatu Gatha Samucharanam Kantha Mololla Sadvarna Rajitrayam Komalashyamalodara Pakshadvayam.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकञ्चाटु गाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयन् कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयम्.
There is no im at any instance here in this line. Please remember that. Till here.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकञ्चाटु गाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्.
Samucharanam Kantha. It is ing there.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकञ्चाटु गाथा समुच्चारणं
Just a second,
कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजि.
Vinati. Do not break it there. Don't say Samucharanam. It is Samucharanam Kantha. Do not break and stop as Samucharanam. Okay. If you are not able to continue, stop after Kantha for now, so that you do not stop with the Anuswara as im.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकञ्चाटु गाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयम्.
Very good. Okay. Tunda Shobhati Duri Bhavat. तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत्. तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत्. Kim Shukantam Shukam.
किं शुकन्तं शुकम्. किं शुकन्तं शुकम्.
Lalayanti Parikridase.
लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे. लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
Tunda Shobhati Duri Bhavat. Kim Shukantam Shukam.
शोभाति दूरीभवत्. किं शुकन्तं शुकम्. तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत्. किं शुकन्तं शुकम्.
Lalayanti Parikridase.
लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे. लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
Shobhati Duri Bhavat. Kim Shukantam Shukam Lalayanti Parikridase.
शोभाति दूरीभवत्. किं शुकन्तं शुकं. लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे. तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत्. किं शुकन्तं शुकं. लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
Okay. So now for the whole line, please concentrate on the Anuswaras everywhere. So because before, when it comes before ta, it is in. When it comes before ka, it is ing. When it comes before cha, it is ng. So Please concentrate on all of them. Just listen and try to repeat it. सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकञ्चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलो दारपक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत् किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे
सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदारपक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरि भवत्किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरि भवत्किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
So we shall stop here today. We shall just revise these 4 lines once and stop. I shall chant the first 3 lines together. The panelists shall repeat and then the 4th line. Shravana dakshinakwānaya vīnaya kinnarairgīyase yaksha gandharva siddhāngana mandalairarchyase सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणया वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे यक्षगन्धर्व सिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणया वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे यक्षगन्धर्व सिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरि भवत्किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे
सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरी भवत्किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयं तुण्ड शोभाति दूरी भवत्किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
Good. Okay. Now we shall move on to the chanting by the participants. Those who would like to chant, please raise your hands. we shall be revising only from half of Dandakam 2 and Dandakam 3 and the first part of Dandakam 4. We shall do so much revision today. Maybe in the last day, if we have a little more time, we shall do the whole revision. Salakshi Kannan, you can begin.
दिव्यरत्नोर्मिकादिदितिस्तोमसन्ध्यायमानाङ्गुली पल्लवोद्यन्नखेन्दुप्रभामण्डले सन्नतात्खण्डले चित्प्रभामण्डले प्रोल्लसत्कुण्डले.
Lakshmi R.
हरि ओम भाई. तारकाराजिनीकाशहारावलिस्मेर चारुस्तना भोग भारानमन्मध्य वल्लीवलिच्छेद वीचीसमुल्लास सन्दर्शिताकार सौन्दर्यरत्नाकरे वल्लकी भृत्करे किङ्कर श्रीकरे. धन्यवाद.
Those who have chanted again, like yesterday, please put your hands down. Wherever you clicked for raise hand, if you click that again, you will be putting your hand down. And please make sure you mute yourselves once you've chanted. So it is easy for all of them to get a chance. And for me to listen to all of them. Jyoti?
Ram Begini. हेम कुंभोपमोतुंग वक्षोज भारावनम्रे त्रिलोकावनम्रे.
Gauri Ravi?
लसद्वृत्त गंभीर नाभिसरस्तीर शैवाल शंकाकर श्याम राम रोमावली भूषणे मंजु संभाषणे.
Lata Jayaraman?
चारुषिज्जत् कटी सूत्र निर्भित्स्ततानंग लीलाधनुर शिंचिनीडंबरे दिव्यरत्नांबरे.
Trial, but you could have also, the word Nirbhatsitananga, you could have pronounced it more clearly.
Okay. Thank you.
Nirbhatsi, the ta and sa, everything is supposed to be heard there.
Nirbhatsi.
Not Nirbhatsi, it's Nirbhartsi. There's an ir before that, before ta.
Okay, thank you.
Try that, otherwise well tried. Sujata Bhatt?
पद्मारागो रागोल्लसन्मेखला भास्वरश्रोणि शोभाजितस्वर्णभूभृत्तले चन्द्रिका शीतले.
Venkatalakshmi?
जय श्री राम अम्मा.
Yes.
विकसित नव किंसुकात्राम्र दिव्यांसु कच्छन्न चारूर शोभा पराभूत सिंदूर शोणायमानेन्द्र मातंगास्तार्गले वैभवानर्गले श्यामले.
Wonderful flow, but you may pronounce the Mahapranas.
Okay, ma.
It would be even nice if you pronounce the Mahapranas also. Like Vaibhavanargale.
Okay, ma. वैभवानर्गले.
Good. Krishnamurti Shivaraman?
Ram Ram. Komala snigdha neelotpalotpaditananga tunira shanka karodara janghalate charulilagate.
Good. Nagashri?
नम्र दिक्पाल सीमंतिनी कुंतल स्निग्ध नील प्रभापुंज संजात दूर्वांकुराशंक सारंग संयोग रिंखन्न खेन्दुज्वले प्रोज्वले निर्मले.
It's not Durvanku, it is Durvanku. It's just a hrasva.
Durvanku.
Yes. Sudha.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
ब्रह्मदेवेश लक्ष्मीश भूतेश तोयेश वाणेश हीनाश दैत्येश यक्षेश यक्षेश वाग्निकोटिरमाणिक्य संहृष्ट बालातपोदाम लाक्षार सारुण्य तारुण्य लक्ष्मी गृहीतांघ्रि पद्मे सुपद्मे उमे.
Good. Could you pronounce Manikya Sankrishta?
माणिक्य संहृष्ट.
Okay. I heard it different. Correct.
Thank you.
Lakshmi Achyuta. Same line.
नमस्कारः भगिनी, श्रूयते वा? अस्तु। प्रह्वदेवेश लक्ष्मीश भूतेश तोयेश वाणीश कीनाश दैत्येश यक्षेश वायव्यग्निकोटिरमाणिक्य संहृष्ट बालातपोद्दाम लाक्षारसारुण्य तारुण्य लक्ष्मी गृहीतां पद्मे सुपद्मे उमे. धन्यवाद.
Bala.
सुरुचिरनवरत्नपीठस्थिते सुस्थिते.
You can chant this line also.
रत्नपद्मासने रत्नसिंहासने खण्डपद्मद्वयोपाश्रिते शङ्ख रत्नपद्मासने रत्नसिंहासने शङ्खपद्मद्वयोपाश्रिते.
Rajalakshmi Krishnan.
तत्र विघ्नेश दुर्गावटु क्षेत्रपालैर्युते.
You may chant 2 lines here in the 4th Dandakam.
मत्त मातंग कन्या समूहान्विते.
Uma Tadimeti.
राम राम भगिनी. मत्त मातंग कन्या समूहान्विते.
Manjula Menaka.
मंजुला मेनकाद्यङ्गनामानिते भैरवैरष्टभिर्वेष्टिते.
राम भगिनी. भैरवैरष्टभिर्वेष्टिते देवी वामादिभिः शक्तिभिः सेविते. धातृलक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यस्तकैः संयुते.
Thank you. Good. Shobhana.
मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्कनामण्डलैरर्चिते.
Good. But it's not Matruka, it's Matrika. Yesterday I corrected someone. So it is.
मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते.
I couldn't miss that. Could you repeat?
मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते.
Okay. What I am specifying is, specifically I am saying do not pronounce it as U, not through, but thr. There is no U ki matra there, but it is r only. Thr.
मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते.
Good. That was right. Yeah.
यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्गनामण्डलैरर्चिते.
Good. Kamakshi Vedaraman.
पञ्चबाणात्मिके पञ्चबाणेन रत्या च संभाविते प्रीतिभाजा वसन्तेन सानन्तिते.
Good. Make sure you do not pronounce cha as sa. Probably that's our Tamil accent, but cha is cha. Cha nandite, not sa nandite. And please try to pronounce the Mahapranas, otherwise it's good. It is Sambhavite.
Shampavite.
You can
Ah.
hit the
Okay.
Sambhavite.
Shampavite. Okay.
Well tried. Good. Lakshmi N.
भक्तिभाजां परं श्रेयसे कल्पसे योगिनां मानसे द्योदसे.
So we had learned till. So today I shall end the revision here. We had learned till this line yesterday. So the lines which we learned today, we shall revise tomorrow for sure. Now, those who wanted to chant and raise their hands, please put your hands down. Those who have specific questions, kindly raise your hands. Shesha Sudha Duri.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Just the question is, will there be an evaluation on the last day or
Yes.
when will it be?
Okay, and not on the last day, but we shall be announcing the date. On the last day, we shall be announcing the dates. There will be an evaluation, both Parayana and Kantapatha. That is, either you will be examined on how you're reading it. It's your option, either to choose Parayana or Kantapatha. Those who have attended the evaluations before in Vyoma might know this, but those who are new to this, it is, we'll have an assessment after this course. We shall be telling you the date on the last day of the course. Once the dates are given, you may once the dates are given, you'll also be getting a mail regarding that, what to do next.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you,
So you
Bhagini.
may either choose Parayana or
Or
Kantapatha.
Kantapatha. Okay.
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 You'll have
Thank you.
ample amount of time in between to practice also, to listen, practice and do.
Okay. Got it. Thank you, Bhagini.
Dhanyawada. Anuradha Kannan.
Ram Bhagini. In the fifth Dandakam which you just taught,
Yes.
அந்த அனுஸ்வராக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து சமுச்சாரணம் அதுல வந்து நீங்க சாரணம் ஃபுல்லா சொல்றேன். அப்போ திரயங்கோமல சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? அப்போ ஏன் அதுவும் காக்க பின்னாடி why are we not saying it as சமுச்சாரணம் கண்ட?
One is it?
Fourth in the Panchamam Dandakam.
Oh, the one which I taught today.
Yeah, now today.
Okay.
That Sarva Vidya Visheshatmakam Chatu Gatha Samucharanam, you taught it as Samucharanam, right?
When I split it, I thought it as Samucharanam. But when I joined it, I said Samucharanam Kanta.
Okay, because when she repeated also, Rajitrayam, you corrected that ing sound. But Kantha, we heard it as M only. That's why I had this doubt. Yeah.
Okay, I think when we joined it, it is in whatever.
Ing only, everywhere.
Whenever
Yeah.
I'm splitting it, I edit it as M.
Correct. So I just had a doubt. Maybe if there is any other rule, I just wanted to clear it up.
No, there is no other rule. There is no exception.
Right.
If I missed either missed correcting her or by mistake, if I pronounced it that way, then it is wrong. It is start Samucharanam Kantha.
Kantha. Okay. So everywhere it's the same only.
Yes.
And the Tunda Shobhati Duri Bhavat Kim Shukantam. Correct?
Yes. Kin Shukam. Kin.
Yeah. Kin Shukan.
Sorry, not kin. It's Kim Shukantam.
Oh. Okay. Kim Shukantam Shukam. Kim Shukantam Shukam.
Sorry,
correct,
what
ma'am?
you're pronouncing, it is not kin. It's not tata tata.
Kim Shukan.
There it is na. The first is Kim.
Kim Shukan Tam Shukam. Correct?
Correct.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you, Bhagini. Thank you so much.
Because Dinavahi.
Ram. Just the same way the previous lady asked, right? I had the same doubts about Answara. Today, a lot of Answaras came, I think, in the
in that line. I think tomorrow also we'll come across a line where we have continuous Anuswaras followed by Vargiya Vyanjanas.
So I know this class is not to explain us how Anuswaras should go. Is there any reference in Vyoma or in previous YouTube Vyomas thing where we can just go through that Anuswara rules and try to grasp it more?
You mean the rules?
Yeah,
Specific.
rules in Anuswara, because I don't think you can explain everything right now, right?
Right, correct. Right.
So
Okay, I shall share
as a
the
homework,
there is a link. I shall share the link either today or tomorrow in class itself.
Sure. Yeah.
Maybe
Thank you.
just for that, I
Yeah.
shall share.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yes, sure. Sangeeta CK.
Yes, ma'am, I had two questions. Are you able to hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
One is, how many dandakams are there in this Shyamala Dandakam?
5 dandakams.
5 dandakas. So this is the last one. And are all the dandakas of the same length?
No, we just saw they're not of the same length.
Okay.
They're
And
okay.
can you refer some book which has the shloka as well as the meaning or explanation or something like that? Can you suggest some book for that? Not just for Parayanam, but also with the meaning. Any
Meaning, there is a course in Vyoma itself. Meaning you may
Okay.
come across, I'm not sure of a specific book, but in Vyoma itself, there's meaning course which has already been done previously.
Okay. I'll check with that.
So you can
And
look
one more thing, ma'am, wherever there is Samyukta Aksharam, is it compulsory to have a Dvitvam, or are there any exceptions for that?
No, pronouncing of Samyukta Aksharam together with the previous letter, there will be a Dvitvam when you're pronouncing it.
Okay, because some places it is very much evident, some places it's not much heard. That's why I had a doubt. Maybe I'm doing it right or wrong. I had a doubt.
Okay, maybe if there is a more higher chance of learners making a mistake, maybe I'm stressing it.
Okay.
Because generally before Samyukta Aksharas, there is a sound of Dvitvam.
Okay, thank you.
We have the course link shared here, Shyamala Dandakam meaning course link. So you can go to that course and enroll there. And you also have all the videos in the YouTube of the course. Uma Devi.
Ram Giri, in the fifth Dandakam, the fourth sloka there, after the Anuswara, when we have the la, don't we do the little la sound also there?
You're asking Kim Shukan, Tam Shukan Lalayanti. Yes, I did actually pronounce.
Yeah,
right.
but once we heard, yeah.
Yes.
Because we have learned it like that from Shankar Rama Sharma.
If you hear, I would have
yes.
I didn't go to correct the panelists immediately because they were continuous. So I thought, okay.
But it is done, no? We have to do that. Yes. Rama, thank you.
Purnima.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. I don't have any Indian language background. Just want to ask at the sloka number 4. The last word Sukham is pronounced as K-A-N or remain as K-A-M.
Sorry, which number?
Number 4, ma'am.
Number 4? Which the last Dandakam which we learned
Yeah,
today?
the one that we learned today, yes.
Okay.
Sukham, the last word is pronounced as K-A-M or K-A-N.
In Shukam you're asking?
Yes.
It is when you are separating it is K-A-M.
Okay.
But when you are telling it together, Shukalayanti is what will come.
Shukal.
Yeah, there will be a tinge of la.
Okay,
ma'am. Closing your mouth completely as im.
Okay.
Shukalayanti is what will come.
Okay. I think I need to practice on that. Thank you, ma'am.
Soon you'll also be getting a video of continuous chanting of Shyamala Dandakam. You can repeatedly also listen to that. That might also be of help.
Thank you.
Purnachandra Sridhar.
Yeah, Ram. It's the same thing because in Ramaraksha Stotram, when we pronounce that shloka, Ramal Lakshmana Durva Purvajam Raghuvaram. So Ramal Lakshmana Purvajam will come. Here
Correct.
hear it when you
No,
are.
before La, sorry that I did not correct the panelist. That was probably I should have corrected her there.
Because it sounds very nice when we have that ill coming. It comes
Yes.
very nicely. The shloka itself changes in a different contour. So I just wanted to know whether it's only my
No,
my
there is no.
observation is correct or not. Thank you, Ram Ram.
Devika R.A.
Ram Ram Bahini. Yeah, I actually, your last course also, the Learn to Chant the 3 Powerful Shlokas of Adi Shankara. I was there in that course also, in this course. And this, your teaching is excellent. And one more thing is, I also was a part of the course where the meanings of this Shyamala Dandakam was taught. But I mean, there is slight difference in the text. So
the small Pata Vedas, probably then what she used as a Pata Veda, she said as a Pata Veda, I might be using it as the main.
Yeah, that's what. But anyway, I follow this.
Yeah.
But both are right. Both are
both are right. There's nothing. But for this course, let us stick on.
This course I will stick only to this script. That is what.
Yeah, but
I just wanted to.
Wrong, so that when you're giving your test like Paranabhyasa or the Kantapata, it's easier for the judges to keep a track.
Okay, no. I am following only this text, but I just wanted to mention. But there was a difference between. I mean, not in all stanzas, here and there, 1 or 2 here and there.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Soumya Narayan.
Ram. Miss, in your voice, if we can have the whole Shyamala Dandakam, I know you mentioned there will be a recording. Will that be up on the YouTube as well?
Yes, that will be on YouTube soon.
Okay.
You'll have that on YouTube.
Thank you.
Dhanyavada sarvebhya. Ram. We shall continue. We shall meet at 5 p.m. tomorrow in class.
Dhanyavada.